Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I style my hair. I cut it recently from being pretty long, and so I'm just going to share with you how I've been doing it. And I do use a flat iron to curl it, so that's a little tricky for most people, so I figured I would share that, and I think it's so much easier when I have short hair. So anyway, let's get into the video. If you do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I would really appreciate it. I do upload new videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, like I said, I do use a flat iron. This one is cheap. I got it like 4 years ago or something, so nothing has to be fancy, just something that is thin enough to where you can curl your hair with it. And then I do use 3 different products as well as a brush. So this is really janky and full of hair, but sorry. I swear by wet brushes, and I think they work the best. They don't pull my hair, they don't tear it out. I've been using them for years now, and I swear by them. So get yourself a wet brush. The bristles are really flexible, and that's why it like helps your hair. Anyway, so I use this, and then I have been using 3 different products. So first is dry shampoo. So my hair is a little bit dirty. I think it's like 2 days old, and I did work out this morning, so I am going to use dry shampoo. This is my favorite lately. This is the Dove Volume and Fullness dry shampoo. It smells really good and, you know, makes my hair feel clean. I really want to try the coconut scent because people say that smells really good. And then this is the hairspray that I use, Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist, and I use the Boost Hold Level 3. So I don't like a super hard hairspray, so that's why I use that one. And then lately I've been using this, which is from Moroccan Oil. This is their dry texture spray. So they sent me a box of just different things to try out. So I've been using this, and I really like it. So first things first, let's take down our hair. I did do this to my hair yesterday, but since I worked out and slept on it and everything, it is pretty much a mess. So first I'm going to brush everything out. Okay, so I'm going to shake up the dry shampoo and start spraying this at the root. This stuff smells so good. Okay, so then I just, massage this into the scalp to make sure it's really in there. Then I'll brush through my hair again, since we are using a flat iron. First things first, what you do is I like to straighten the ends because we're not going to be going all the way to the end of the hair. So I like to straighten the ends. Make sure your texture is good. And then I also like to straighten the tops of the hair to make sure there's not like a bunch of waves and stuff, because my natural hair texture is wavy. So this is like if you were to be coming right out of like the shower, or you air dried your hair last night, something like that. Make sure you're straightening the ends and also the tops of your hair, but nothing else, because you're going to be, curling the middle section. Do that. And obviously I already have some curls in my hair, or like leftover residual ones, because I did this yesterday. So my favorite way to do this hairstyle though is like right after I were to blow dry my hair, but I try not to blow dry my hair very often unless it's like a special occasion or something, or if I'm in a rush. So after everything is straightened, like that'll take about 2 seconds. Like it's not going to take you very long to kind of go through everything and straighten it. And then I like to go, I'm going to show you my left side. Since I am right-handed, it's a little more awkward to do it on the left-hand side than it is the right. So I'm going to show you the left first to kind of explain it. So if you hold your hand out like this with your palm open, flip your wrist over, come over to your piece, clamp down, and then flip your hand over again so that your palm is open. And slowly bring it down, and then let go, and then you'll have a curl. So I just wanted to show you that. And then the more you get the hang of it, I feel like the bigger sections you can take. So again, open, flip, come over, clamp, flip again so your palm is open, and slowly move it down the hair, and then let go. And if you want a tighter curl, make sure you don't go too fast. If you want a less tight curl like I do, you can go decently fast. I would say just kind of normal speed, I guess. I don't know how to describe it. And then let it go. So for the front of the face, I take a decently large section, and then I'll do the same thing. And I always curl away from the face, just because it's more flattering in my opinion. And then I just curl mostly the top layer. Since my hair is short, I don't go through and curl every single piece just because I don't think it's necessary. It's a lot quicker and it just kind of has that more like undone kind of look, which is what I like. I don't want it to look super done up, I guess. So I just kind of go through, I curl the top pieces, leave out the ends, and then kind of go from there. So see how I leave out the ends and then I let go? I just spin and it's curled. And I just like shake out my hair, see which ones I want to do. I would say I do maybe like 7 or 8 pieces on each side. I do have thick hair though, so you might do less or more. And if I were to do this on my own without talking and like explaining everything, I can do it in like 10 or less minutes, both sides. So it's a really quick hairstyle for me, and that's why I love it. So see how this is like straight right here? I like to take one piece and curl that just so it looks a little bit more done. Okay, next I'll go in with some hairspray, and I like to just lift a little bit and spray. And then I'll take some dry texture spray and do the same thing. Kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. And then I do the same thing on the other side. So let me just real quick show you how I curl on the right side. Like I said, it's a lot easier just because you're not reaching over your body. But I'll take a piece and just do the same thing. Flip it over. And curl. Have it open. So I flip over, clamp, flip, and just move it down the hair. Alright you guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week, so I really hope you will subscribe, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye guys!